Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we will show you on how to make mac and cheese with a little bit of chemistry. The ingredients are 1 box of mac and cheese, water, milk, and butter. Let's get started. Step 1. Fill a pot of water and place it on the stove over high heat. Turn on the heat and wait till the water to come to boil. Heat conduction. When the pot is placed on the stove, the heat from the burner is transferred to the bottom of the pot throughout a process called heat conduction. The heat causes the water molecules closest to the bottom of the pot and gain energy and move faster, leading to an increase in temperature throughout the pot. Step 2. Add the macaroni. Once the water is boiling, carefully add the macaroni from the box into the pot. Stir casually to prevent sticking. Follow the instructions on the box for the specific cooking time. As the water is heated, convection occurs. The hot water molecules near the bottom of the pot becomes less dense and rinse to the top, while the cooler water molecules sink to the bottom. This creates a circular motion known as convection currents, which helps distribute the heat evenly throughout the pot and ensures that macaroni cooks firmly. Step 3. Drain the macaroni. After the macaroni has cooked for the recommended time, carefully pour it into the colander to drain the water. Be cautious as the hot water can cause burns. Step 4. Add the cheese sauce. Return to the drained macaroni back to the pot and add cheese sauce. Is cheese of the pack from the box that added milk and butter according to the instructions on the box. Stir well until the cheese sauce is thoroughly mixed with the macaroni. When the stove is turned on, it emits heat energy of radiation. This energy travels through the air and is absorbed by the pot, its contents. In this case, the heat radiating from the stove is absorbed by the pot, causing the water to heat up and the macaroni to cook. The process of cooking involves the fire triangle, which consists of 3 elements: heat, fuel, and oxygen. The heat from the stove provides the energy needed to cook the macaroni. The fuel is the macaroni itself, which undergoes chemical changes as it cooks. And finally, oxygen. It presents in the air, allowing to the combustion reaction of occur and sustain the heat needed of cooking. Here are some kitchen fire safety. Always keep a fire extinguisher in your kitchen and make sure it is easily accessible. Never leave the stove untended while cooking. If you have to leave, turn it off the heat. Keep flammable objects such as paper, towels, or oven mitts away from the stove. In case of a grease fire, never use water extinguisher. Instead, smother the flames with a lid and use the fire extinguisher especially designed for the grease fire. The protein of the mac and cheese. Mac and cheese typically contains cheese, which is rich in protein. When heated, the proteins undergo denaturation, a process which the protein molecules unfold and change their structure. Tips on preventing kitchen fire. Always clean your stove and oven regularly to remove grease building up, as it can easily catch fire. Keep cooking area tidy and free from clutter, as it being a hazard. And that's it. Thank you and enjoy your homemade mac and cheese. Thanks for watching.